Next up, Outstanding Educator. Tonight's recipient is Oakley Van Oss. Mr. Van Oss of Summit High School was nominated by Brad Peel and Bonnie Ward of the Education Foundation of the Summit, but the true force behind his nomination are the students in his career tech welding class and the transformation he has made in their education. After this video, we're sure you'll understand why.
I'm Bonnie Ward. I'm with the Education Foundation of the Summit, and I met Oakley Van Oss about 8 years ago when he asked for some help to get some grants to start up this new welding program.
First time that I took Van Oss, I walked in as a sophomore and he instantly made me feel welcomed. You know, it was a cool experience to get to have a hands-on class in school and just have another opportunity to not be in a classroom and get to build stuff and actually make like stuff that you could use in the real world.
It's really just a great learning environment. You walk in, there's always specialists, there's always people that are in here that know what they're doing. They're prepared to teach you different elements of the trades.
Van Oss is super patient and understanding. He'll show you as many times as you need to get something down.
This year I started taking welding class, which has been my personal favorite. I love welding and it's something that I would absolutely consider doing after high school, and Van Oss has been nothing but supportive of that.
He is an amazing teacher. His first priority is always safety in the labs with students. But after that, it's collaboration, cooperation, and making sure that every student has a really great learning experience.
The way Van Oss teaches makes you feel very driven to get things done and to get to work. It's very enthusiastic setting in the classroom. We're all just going around building our stuff, having a good time.
You walk into class and you get a handshake, you feel like you're in a professional environment, but it's also like you can mess anything up and Van Oss would never make you feel anything. He talks you through it as many times as you need, shows you how to do it while being safe, shows us applicable stuff stuff that comes from experience, easier way to do things, and just really, helps it through every process.
Mr. Van Oss is super great. I mean, you walk in the door and he greets you like he's super excited to see you every day. And then you get to work. I mean, he gives you a task and you see it through, and it's really just a nice, it's like being in the work field. You learn your environment, and he's just a great instructor and a great guy to help with that.
I'd like to read to you from one of his students. He said, "I was so excited to get into the welding classes because they were a totally different environment from my other classes. Mr. Van Oss radiates joy. He really cares about his students. I graduated 3 years ago, and sometimes I forget the names, but I'll never forget Mr. Van Oss. I learned skills from him that I use for the rest of my life. I am now in the Marine Corps, and as a motor tech mechanic, I use those skills all the time." And I think that captures what's so special about Mr. Van Oss. When you come into his classroom, it's a very noisy, bright environment, but every student is working purposefully and under great supervision from Mr. Van Oss. These are sort of the reasons why we nominated Mr. Van Oss for Outstanding Educator.
Thank you, Van Oss!
Oakley Van Oss, come on down. You have your own cheering section.
Thank you all so much for this tremendous award. I'm very, very honored to be here tonight. Thank you, Summit Foundation, for making so much of a difference in our schools every day. Everybody here in the room has kids, has grandkids, and they've been impacted directly by the Summit Foundation. Teachers have wild ideas. They need big money. They need big motivation and a big push, and the Summit Foundation is always there to do it. And it's really, really incredible. Thank you to my students who are here tonight. These guys are everything. They make coming into school every day a great place to be. I really appreciate them. Thank you, Bonnie. Thank you, Brad. Thank you, Paul Finkel, for being there from ground zero on all the programs that we've gotten underway. And a huge shout out to my mom. She is here. She came from Tallahassee, Florida. And my mom was a public school teacher for 34 years, and during that time, she just exhibited and was a role model for somebody that cares and puts out and does for their community. And I can't thank her enough for being such a wonderful spirit and presence in my life. So, Mama, thank you. I love you. I'm accepting this award tonight on behalf of my students, most definitely. SHS as a school is so supportive, creative, and very resilient. The Summit County Builders Association, with our recent partnership, has been absolutely forward-thinking, very agile, great at what they do. And the Summit community in general. You guys, every time that you have seen something in front of you that said career and technical education, you go, oh yeah, let's vote for that. We need that plumber, we need that electrician, we need that carpenter. And more than any of that, more than any of our personal needs, we need our kids to feel honored and lifted up and feel like whatever path they choose after high school is going to be the right one. But hey, you should really go into the trades. It's awesome. I wanted to talk real quickly about what we're up to at the high school, because it's really exciting. In general, we are changing the narrative about going into the trades after high school. Kids are very proud, they're very honored that they're choosing that path, and it's something that's new. There's a buzz that's been created at the high school and in the community, and it's just wonderful to be a part of. The welding program, as Bonnie said, has been in existence for 8 years now, and we currently offer dual language welding, welding 1, welding 2, and welding 3. And when kids do welding 1, 2, and 3, they're graduating with 8 college credits from CMC, so it's a huge deal. Over 20 of our students have gone on to trade schools, and there's countless others that have continued with welding or been in the trades. We've created strong partnerships with our community, the Summit Foundation, NIPS Welding, Infinity, Breck Iron. One of our community members actually just got us in touch with an international welding company called ESOB, and so they're backing our program now, so amazing exposure. And then on the construction tech side of things, last year we started a partnership with the Summit County Builders Association, and it is called Careers in Construction, and we're one chapter here in Summit County, but we're really doing some awesome things at the high school, and probably a lot of you in the room have either been a part of it or have heard about it, but we have had over 45 organizations that have donated materials and financial support, and we've had over 100 volunteers come into the high school and work shoulder to shoulder with our students, which is a model that is not the traditional classroom at all, and it's been something that I feel like has truly changed the lives of our kids. And it's something that our whole community is taking part in and has gotten behind. So it's very, very exciting to just kind of be the conductor and help our community come in and plug into the high school. Tomorrow we're going to be starting something new. We've got a nonprofit organization called Epic Tiny Homes that's going to be bringing in at 11 a.m. tomorrow. If you want to come by the high school, it's going to be bringing in a trailer that's 9 by 32, decked with 3/4 ply, and ready to build the very first SHS tiny home. through that, we're going to have loads of tradespeople that are in working shoulder to shoulder with our kids and supervising them. And then eventually, when it's completed, it's going to be going to the Western Slope for this first one, where it's going to be teacher housing. But then next year, we're going to flip this house. We're going to build another one. And this one's going to stay in the county for the people that need it here. So it's a really exciting thing that we're starting off with. Thank you all again. This has been absolutely amazing. 7 years ago, my son Orion Van Oss, he won the Outstanding Student of the Year award, and it was a tremendous deal. And so I was sitting out in the audience just being a proud papa. And so he was one of the first people that I called. So I called up Orion and I said, "Hey buddy, guess what? I got Outstanding Educator of the Year for the Summit Foundation." And he couldn't have been more proud of me. And he just said, "Wow, great job," and everything. And then right at the end of the conversation, he said, "Well, Daddy, I was wondering when you were going to catch up." So here tonight for Orion, and thank you so much. I really appreciate you.